Okay, so now we have our product content type, and we have a title and a body. Now we need to add an image field. So let's go ahead and go to Manage Fields. And we can either add an existing field, and we do have an image field here available to us, or we can create a new image field here. Now the main reason to select something that exists already is that we can use it as a consistent reference for displaying particular content. For example, when we get to covering the views module, we may want to display a thumbnail image for multiple types of content. If that image is a field that's shared between the content types, then it's relatively easy to add that as a field in the view. However, if they're separate fields, the two image fields and the two different content types, then we'll have to do some juggling in order to get it to display correctly. And that's really just one example. There are other examples as well. So in general, we want to default to sharing fields between the content types where we can. But in certain cases, there's going to be settings that affect all of the content types where you really only want it to affect one. In that case, then we need to use separate fields for different content types. For now, let's choose to share the field between the content types, and then if we run into problems later on, we can always change back to using a different field. As long as we're at a stage before we've imported a ton of content, then it's pretty easy to back out of this and reconfigure it.